Guys, I'm so happy that again I got a lot of bikini from Samiol Brands, and I'm very excited to unboxing together with you and try on all of these bikinis. So let's see how many we have of them. What's that? Bikini 1, Bikini 2, Bikini 3, 4, and 5. 5 bikinis. I'm gonna try all of these right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's start from this one. So, of course, my favorite is always a little bit with like to make me color it out, because I'm almost 50 years old, and fabrics like that make hiding my wrinkle body all around. So I always choose with extra fabrics in any kind of bikini. So that's my favorite things when I'm getting overaged. Let's try how it looks. And bottom is just average, nothing really special, just average bottom. And this is, hold on, I don't know how to make it out. I need somebody help me, guys. Oh yeah, I made it. And let's see how it looks. Wow. Perfect. Watch that. It's like kind of luminescent, but not really luminescent. And fabrics here, it's a fixed. Here you cannot move like apart or make it closer. It's fixed, which is really cool, and I love it. It's stretchable, and with special tissue made it like decoration. And when you look at closer, so you see that it's not that luminescent like when you see from far away. Watch that. It's like bodyguard safe jacket. Yeah, that's really cool. So that's Samiol, guys. All information about this brand will be in description and pinned commentary below for video. And I just want to show you quick that here it's push up like always everybody should to do. And we will try another one bikini. So now it's blue. Buttocks is also like average, like nothing really special, just like real buttocks. That's how it looks. And here what I really like, that here's a special star, which one like make decoration, and it's also made it like t-shirt, like top, not just like real bikini. From behind you see it's made it close your back. And let's see how it looks on me. Here how it looks on me. So you see that this is made it like a little bit like top. I'll give you a little bit more light, so you will see how it's nice it made it from in front. You can make just one skirt and go for restaurants and use this as swimwear like outside top, actually. Only need to find skirt with this color. Perfect. And let's try another one. Another one, red. Wow, what is that? Wow, my favorite t-shirt style top. I really love how it's made it. Because I told you I'm almost 50 and I have all of body as wrinkles, so I prefer to cover it. Bikini, like this swimwear, is also covered. So here's fabric. If you see, it's like little bit like transparent or something like that, if you can see. My favorite when it's covered, it's my favorite, guys. I really love it. So good, because benefits that you can use it not just bikini, you can use it on a daily life, like top for hangout and going out. Here it's not already average, here is a special knitted left and right side. Wow. I don't know if camera shows good, because here I see in selfie from camera that it makes like little bit luminescent color, but originally it's not that like luminescent, it's average color, guys. Should I maybe change a little bit settings in my camera and create another one more video, probably is the same bikini? Let's do that. I will change settings and we will make the same bikini in another video and compare colors, because I don't like how it's like orange a little bit, but originally it's like red, like 100% red. So let me try with the different settings.